Okay, your event is tomorrow, and right now. You don't feel ready. You're tired, your skin's acting up, and your confidence kinda low. But guess what? You still have time. This is your complete 24-hour glow-up plan. Let's change everything in one day. Reset from the inside. Start your glow-up with a full reset. First, drink warm lemon or cucumber water. Hydrate. Hydrate. Eat light, fruit, yogurt, smoothies, soups, nothing heavy. You want to debloat, feel fresh, and boost your energy. Open your windows. Play soft music, light a candle. Set the vibe. You're not just transforming your look, you're resetting your energy too. Body care and shower routine. Now get in the shower and treat it like your personal spa. Scrub your body to remove dead skin. Shave if you want to. And afterward mix your favorite lotion with body oil. Massage it in. Your skin should feel soft, glossy, and smell amazing. Even add a touch of body mist or light perfume before you get dressed again. This is about how you feel, not just how you look. Face glow-up routine. Let's move to your face. Start with a clay or sheet mask depending on what your skin needs, detox or hydration. Then take an ice cube or chilled spoon and glide it across your skin, especially under your eyes and jawline. Apply serum, moisturizer, and don't forget sunscreen, even indoors. Use your fingers or gua sha for a 3-minute facial massage. You'll instantly look more lifted, and trust me, you'll feel refreshed. Hair care plus quick styling. Your hair makes a massive difference. Oil your scalp for 20-30 minutes if possible, then wash and deep condition. Even if you skip the oil, use a conditioner that leaves your hair soft and shiny. Style it in soft curls, a clean sleek bun, or heatless waves overnight. Frizz. Add a bit of hair serum or shine spray. You want your hair to look healthy, not just styled. Mini details that matter. Time for the little things that secretly make a huge difference. Tweeze or shape your eyebrows, just clean them up. File your nails, add clear polish.
File your nails and apply a cute nail polish, maybe a soft pink, nude, white, or whatever makes you feel put together. Even one coat of color can instantly make your hands look clean and elegant.
Moisturize your hands and feet, you're glowing head to toe. Even applying a tinted lip balm can instantly boost your look. Don't skip these. They're quick, but powerful. Soft glam makeup look. Let's talk glam, but keep it light and fresh. Use a glowy base or BB cream. A bit of blush and highlighter on the high points. Curl your lashes, add mascara or soft lashes if you like, and go for a glossy lip. You can even add a touch of bronzer or contour if you're feeling it. The goal isn't to cover up, it's to feel like the polished version of you. Outfit, perfume, and vibe. Pick an outfit that feels you. Something comfy but elevated. Steam it or iron it wrinkle-free always looks more expensive. Accessories, earrings, rings, or a mini bag. Spray your signature scent or try something light and floral. You're dressing for confidence. Dress like the person you're becoming. Final boost. Your energy. Lastly, your mindset. Take a second in the mirror. Say it, I look good. I feel good. I'm ready. Your energy is the real glow up. Play your favorite song, dance a little, move your body. When you walk into that event tomorrow, Don't just look good. Feel good. If this helped you glow up fast, save it for your next big day. Subscribe for more routines like this, and remember, a lot can change in 24 hours when you choose to show up for yourself.
See you next time. Bye.